Hey guys, this is Daryl at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com. I've got on the bench today a little Emerson Jr. Well, a couple of them here. This is the little Emerson Jr. I think it's a 10-inch. It's got the screw-on blade, so it's got the single bearing design like the larger Emersons, the 12 and 16-inch Emersons. Some of these little Junior fans had a set screw type blade and a dual bearing design. This is the single bearing design Junior here, and a lot of these things have a real boogered up rear bearing cap here, or plug, if whatever you want to call it, and these things have a left hand thread. You have to unscrew them in a clockwise direction to get them out, but it's just a plug here and it's got a real weird thread on it. It's a left hand pitch thread, and these have to be chased on the lathe to make these things. There is no die for this particular thread. So we've got the lathe set up, we've got our threading tool bit here, and we've got everything set up on the lathe to cut 24 threads per inch, and we've got our thread dial over here. Everything's set up, and I'm fixing to run a small batch of these things. I just wanted to show you, I've only made a couple of them so far. Well, I've reproduced these things in the past, and I've had them in stock, but I've been out of them for the last several months. And I had a customer that called wanting one of these things, and I didn't have one in the drawer to pull out and send it right out, so I thought I'd come out here and run a few of these things today. And this is what they look like. And then there's the original there that's all boogered up. So I'm going to be running some of these things today. If you need any of these, now these fit, this same part here will fit these little Junior fans, and it also fits a 26646 and a 28646, among others. So this one part right here fits several different type numbers of these little Emerson fans. And also you'll find some of these that's got a hex head with a threaded hole through it, where this is just this is just like a plug here. There we go. But some of them will have a threaded hole here that a little rod attaches to. And there's about, I don't know, half a dozen of different ones. Some will be round with a slot for a screwdriver like these, and some will have a hex head back here. Some, the rod goes all the way, the threaded hole goes all the way through, and then there's others that the threaded hole just goes in so far and stops, like a blind hole. And I've reproduced all of those things, so I've got all of those supposed to be in stock for you guys that may need them for your Emerson restoration needs. If I don't have them in stock, I've got a blueprint so that I can make more. Just so happens sometimes I'll run out, and because I'll make a dozen or a couple of dozen at a time, and when I run out, I may not be able to get right out there and make more. I may be out of them for a short period of time. I don't like it when it ends up that way, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So that's why I'm out here today making these things. All right, y'all take care. Subscribe if you like my videos, and we'll catch y'all later. Take care.